At Mecwin Technologies India Private Limited, every component of our motors is built with precision, durability, and customer trust in mind. From the core stator design to the winding protection and cable jointing, we engineer reliability at every step. Bare stator, precision that powers performance. Each slot in the stator is carefully engineered to hold and secure the copper windings. The slot geometry ensures maximum copper filling, reduced electrical losses, uniform magnetic flux distribution, and better heat dissipation. Why copper matters? 1:1.4 Polywrap selection. At Mecwin, we use high-grade copper wire with 1:1.4 Polywrap insulation, while many competitors use only 1:1.3. The 1:1.4 ratio ensures copper wires are not damaged during winding, superior thermal resistance to avoid overheating, and longer motor life and fewer service issues. Waterproof cable jointing, stronger connections, lasting protection. Cable jointing in submersible motors is critical for performance and safety. At Mecwin, we use 3M insulation technology combined with waterproof rubber sealing for every joint. 3M insulation benefits strong adhesion and certified electrical safety, withstands underwater pressure, provides long-lasting, uniform insulation. Waterproof rubber protection prevents moisture ingress, adds a second protective layer, ensures leak-proof, durable cable joints. Rubber protector, safeguarding winding life. In conventional motors, the casting may come in contact with copper windings, leading to insulation abrasion, short circuits, overheating, and reduced motor life. Mecwin stands for efficiency, durability, and trust. With every product, we deliver reliable performance and peace of mind to farmers. Mecwin, built strong, trusted for life. For more information, contact Mecwin Technologies India Private Limited +91 974 122977.